further ado, we're gonna open up this package. Got my knife handy. Got that down. See, I don't play around. I usually don't get a whole lot of packages, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm glad that I got this one. I'm very thankful. You know, I work very hard, and a lot of times I spend, you know, my money on my family and stuff like that. But you know, I do believe in, you know, rewarding yourself every once in a while. All right. So here we go. Yuke's nice little outer sleeve packaging that they always do. I've been a customer with them for years. Oh, Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. I don't even know how to say it. Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. Yeah, I got these shoes from Yuke's. I got a really good deal on them. I was able to get them for. We could cut this part out. I got a really good deal on the shoes. I was able to get them for about $400, you know, and some people that say, oh, that's a lot of money for a pair of shoes, but that's really what I'm going to be talking about on this channel. You know, we're going to be having fun, and I'm going to be showing you how to get some really nice things for less, and you're going to understand the logic behind, you know, buying really nice things for low prices. So stay tuned for that stuff. But now we're going to go into reviewing these sneakers, or at least opening them up. Got the Saint Laurent dust bag, you know, stays handy. Usually that's pretty typical with, you know, these high-end luxury brands, you know, the Saint Laurent dust bag. They smell kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. That's one of the things I like about when you get these shoes is, you know, the different smells and different, you know, packaging that you get from these different companies. And look at what we have here. The red and black like the bread, Jordan 1s, but it's Saint Laurent. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I stopped wearing Jordans, but that's going to be in future videos. But so far, you know, I really like the leather. You know, the padding is really nice. The detail is really nice. Come a little bit. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, this is a really nice high top sneaker. I usually wear a lot of high tops. I don't know why it's always worked out that way, but these are really nice, you know, really nice soft leather. I'm looking forward to trying them on. You could tell it's a really good quality. You know, a lot of people say, oh, why would you do that to a shoe like that? But, you know, you'll understand when I start talking about it. Really cool shoe though, it's definitely dope. You know, Saint Laurent, made in Italy on the bottom of the sole, and okay, cool. Here's both shoes. Usually these shoes retail between $500 and $650. So getting them for $400 to me, that was a hell of a steal. And you know, like I said, there's a lot of reasons why I like to buy these type of shoes, but definitely check them out. Really cool shoe. One of the only things I really didn't like about the shoe, I think Yuke's, they sell a lot of. I think Yuke sells a lot of, you know, like last season items, and to me that's okay. You know, fashion is one of these things that can be timeless if you do it right. And but one of the things I don't like about this particular shoe is it has this red tab, and a lot of the newer models these days comes with a the tab is black over here, but you know, still pretty dope nonetheless. And you know, I'm definitely gonna be looking forward to rocking this and filming more videos for you guys. So stay tuned for my next video, which I'll be doing a further and detailed review of the shoe, and I'll give you my opinion on what I think. So thanks. Talk to you guys soon. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks.